Hello, my name is Samir. Today I'm going to talking about how to add the Tekla environment in Tekla structure because lots of students has facing these problems when installing the Tekla structure. When using Tekla structure, they may not found their standards according to their country. So today I'm going to focus on this topic. First, when you open up the Tekla structure, maybe you will be using crack version or student version. It takes some time because it depends on your computer speed. So that, and please guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel, because if you want to see the new videos, then you have to subscribe and click the bell icon. And Tekla Structure is very powerful software that you can design or drafting. See, if you install it the first time, you may not see these codes, Indian, Australian code. You can only see the blank project. So that if you want to add standards according to your country, then you have to go to the link that I provided on the description below, or you can see simply go to campus.tekla.com. First you have to make the registration by using your simply Gmail account. Then go down and see, this is the link of Tekla structure overall configuration. If you want, then whatever, but this topic I'm going to talking about environments. Simply click the drop down arrow, then you may see in the process of installing the Tekla environment. You can see it from here too, and then you can download, simply download. And I'm pretty much familiar with the Indian standards and Australian standard, so that I already download the Australian standard and Indian standards. Then simply download and install it. After installing, you may have to encounter with the restarting with your computer. Then again open up the Tekla structure. Then you may see some standards here, maybe India, maybe Australia or something. And it's a very powerful software, and you can change the different roles as a bridge designer, contractor, engineering, precast concrete, steel basic. And you can also change the configuration such as drafter. You can do as a drafter. You can use this software as a project manager, construction modeling, engineering, rebar detailing. You can also be used only as a rebar detailing, steel detailing. I'm pretty much familiar with the steel detailing and drafting, not as a project manager, something not as a developer or a PM modular. Okay, thank you so much guys, and please don't forget to subscribe button, because it makes me encouraged to make a new video for you guys.
I will upload the various lectures regarding the different softwares and overall process of the designing process by using the different softwares. So that please guys make sure don't forget to subscribe button.